In this video, I'll show how to single thread the needle. So the first thing you want to do is get enough thread to sort of go the distance between your fingertips and your elbow. And that's about the right amount of thread to be working with. Then I'll add about 4 or 5 inches for my tail. And then I'll just snip the thread. So you want about the distance between your fingertips and your elbow, plus about 4 or 5 inches. So now you'll take that thread that you cut, and if you use the end that you cut, it's nice and neat at the end, so it's easier to thread the needle. So you'll take the eye of the needle. You'll notice I have the thread pretty close to my fingertips, so that I'm just kind of laying the eye of the needle on and sort of pinching that thread through. And I pull it through until I've got a little tail for one end, and I'm going to put my knot on the other end. So I'm going to make a knot, wrap it over and through, so you can see it again, cross it over, bring that piece under and through, and I'll do that again another time. And I'm going to do it one more time with this thread because it's a reasonably fine thread, and I want a knot that's substantial enough where it's not going to go through, just right through the fabric. So I'll do at least 3 times through to create the knot and pull it tight. You could even do a 4th time really there. You want to clip off that tail, not too close to the knot. If you clip off your tail too close to the knot, then that knot could come undone. So now I have my needle threaded with a single thread, and I have the little tail about 4 or 5 inches of thread on one side, and then my knot will be on the other side.